Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to screen record on Android device. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So, if you're wondering how to exactly screen record on Android devices, well, this one is quite simple. Now, currently for latest phones or with the generation of phones right now, typically as long as your phone is quite new, you'll already have the option to screen record certain screens into your phone. So typically there's a built-in app you already can use here. So what you need to do is you want to go and just basically swipe down at the top right of your screen here until you see your widgets or the tools that you could use. Now this is where you can put turn on your Bluetooth, turn on airplane mode, even the flashlight icon. So yeah, so what you're looking for specifically is going to be the record or the camera icon that you are seeing. So usually it's going to be at the very bottom, sometimes at the very top here, depends on your phone. But yeah, so in my case, it's going to be at the very bottom next to the location icon. So let's go and just select that one, and it will basically give us this mini tool. So you see at the bottom right on my screen. So in this case, if you want to start recording, you go and just click on the record button. As you can see, there's a countdown on my screen in here. It's going to go faded. Now don't worry, it will not be visible on my recording later on. And also just take note that this will also start recording your voice if you try recording whichever is happening right now on your screen, and it won't be able to record what we call protected screens. So that screens include like authenticators or apps regarding security, so just be careful what you're recording here. But yeah, once you're done, you go and just select the app again, so it's going to be floating around the bottom area here. You can even move it around if you want to, if you press and hold on it. But yeah, you can go and click on the red button here to stop recording, and if you go to your gallery, you should also see your recording now also available. As you can see right now, this is our recording, and you go and start playing this if you want to. Now if you want to change certain settings into the recording app here, you go and click on the settings icon here next to the X button, and you can also choose the resolution, video quality, orientation, even like your sound source here, your frame rate, and lock to screen to end, and even like if you want to show like gestures or show button taps here. But yeah, so in this case, if you're done, you can go and go back or click on the X button here to close the app, and you're pretty much good to go. Now, for older phones that do not have this functionality, you could also download what we call screen recording apps from Google Play Store. There are a lot of apps that you could use out there, but the thing with this one is sometimes they would have ads, so that's the only thing that you may want to keep in mind, but that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.